Yo jing Iaroh ine iba jutrekum ugat halau kentang nakitoris kiba nabar jela kini kitoris kila Iaroh bhai ya une ugat namar kajing tibit jung uban batai sepang kajing long jingman jong kalau kentang hakaba ula batai yaki ya kajing long kerpang jong kaneka klau bat bakim de ban lek klumar ne penjot ya kijing don jing em hapo jong kaneka klau namar ba kade kalau kentang bat ngilai iru bakini kitoris kila pensyak skor bahaya i kat ba ine iba idang batai porlok ine pejno sipor ya kane kadurki.
So first of all, I would like to wish for a good morning for all of you. So my good name is Vicky. So I would like you to welcome to our state Meghalaya. Welcome to the Saphriang Sacred Forest. Okay. So this is the forest, which we are calling it the Saphriang Sacred Forest, or in our local name is called Lau Kentang. Lau Kentang. Okay. So like the meaning of Lau Kentang na, Lau means the forest, and Kentang means the place which is the very holy, or a place is a very sacred. Or in Hindi we can call it the Pavitra jungle. Pavitra. Okay. What is the forest now? We're standing here more than 800 years old. 800 years. If we're standing here more than 800 years, where we know this forest as the untouched. Untouched. Okay. So the meaning of untouched just mean like we can touch whatever is there in the forest is okay, but the main and the only one, you cannot pluck or you cannot take anything from the forest. If someone who pluck or take anything from here, where we the guy we the member, we cannot do anything, but might be the god of the nature, he will do something to the natural people also. Because still nowadays where we the local people, we still believe that inside the forest there is a god. The name of the god where we the people are worshipped till nowadays, where we call it Labasa. Labasa. Okay, Labasa. And at the same time, where the total area of the forest is around 80 hectares, it will be around 192 acres like that. Okay, and it has been divided into 3 sections or 3 parts. What is over there is the first section, where this is the second, and where over there is the third one. Okay, so the first section in our local name is known as Laktarkhang. The second one in our local name is known as a Pe Pandi, and the third one in our local name is known as Klawadong or Klawnukundri. Okay, and we'll see that stone over there. But that is the monolith stone. Monolith. Okay, but that the 3 standing stone we know as a male, and with the flat one, the one slide table, that one we know as the female. Okay, whereas mean that stone, it shows that we the people in Meghalaya, we are respect or trust more to the female. Like the female has the power, we have to rule to control the family, not we the male exactly. Because we the Meghalaya state till nowadays, where we are following the maternal society, but it's not the paternal society. Okay? I mean here when we are finished to marry, where we the girl house. Not the girl come to our house. It is the mother, not the father. Even the surname, we need to take it from the mother's side, not from the father. There's no arranged marriage, there's no dowry. But still nowadays in Meghalaya state we are follow only love marriage. Only love marriage will still happen till nowadays, and there's no dowry system also. Okay? And here also even the property of the mother and father will be get by the youngest daughter. All the property of the parents will be annotated by the youngest daughter only. Even elder daughter they can get, but less of property, much more property get by the youngest daughter. Okay? So this means the stone, it shows that the male, the 3 standing stone, this means the male, that they are sacrificed for the family. And the flat one is the female, which means he care and protect the children at home like that. Okay? Means the men stand for the family, the women look after the children at home like that. Okay? So inside the forest, if you enter, where you'll see it about the Rudraksha plant, about the ritual place, and some of the medicine plant. Okay? So come, I'd like to brief you some more.